Welcome to Review Parks. Search reviewparks.com B for site. Review
T2 speedboat. This thing is nasty. It's not on the top end of, watercraft, remote control watercraft. It's not a several $100 miniature yacht with a several $100 miniature, or rather remote, but it's also not a low-end toy. This is a very high-end toy with a very acceptable price tag. This costs $60 on Amazon. That's it, $60 on Amazon. This is not necessarily a beginner's toy. It's, I would say, a little bit more intermediate, but definitely not advanced or expert. It has a top speed of about 20 miles an hour, which is insanely fast for a remote control watercraft. It's faster than you need a remote control watercraft to go. This thing was jumping waves today at Lake Balboa. Let's break it open. So it's got a sealed compartment and a secondary sealed compartment. And that's where the goods are, the servo, rather, for the rudder, the battery, and the propeller control. This thing goes 20 miles an hour, and it has automatic recovery, not automatic, excuse me, but recovery on the remote control for if you should flip it over, which I did today and was able to successfully, using the remote control, flip the boat back over so you can keep going. It has adjustment controls for adjusting the rudder, adjustment controls for adjusting the propeller back and forth. This thing is super cool, and it's $60 on Amazon, which is an incredibly fair price point for something like this. And I personally, I give it a go. I've played with plenty of RC watercraft before, and this thing for $60 is, you get my thumbs up. If you're looking for a new toy, a new RC toy, but you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a miniature yacht, this thing's the way to go. I, however, would not buy this if you plan to use it in a pool, as you will crash it. It goes ridiculously fast. This is a promotional item. This was given to me. I am a tester, and I'm testing this product for the company that makes it, Contixo. And I'm not being financially compensated to leave this review. Payment was in kind, so they send me a unit. I leave my honest review after I've tested it. I took it out and I tested it, pushed it to its limits today, and it's just a fantastic little thing, and I would definitely recommend it to intermediate RC users, to beginners too, with an adult supervising a child playing with it. But yeah, it's super cool, it's super fun, and definitely super fun for $60. I'm probably going to mount a camera on it and take it out with the GoPro camera, and so yeah, check them out. Their company is Contixo, and they are in Chino Hills, California. And this has been my review of the Contixo T2 remote control speedboat.